They here. The business going at the house.
No, the
MPA, yeah. They extend up to, okay, they wait. The MPA get this.
We wanted to build it by ourselves that time, but we wanted to build the rubbish one. Them to cover this gate too. There's no gate down.
Above all things, is the quality.
Yeah.
Look at this. The quality.
So this place in this one is something.
You just to train. You can change the mind November. You have air conditioner here, no?
No, there is no.
It's not set.
But the inside, because of it's set, but because of the
At the West.
sir.
Now you there.
This is our canteen. We cast this stuff. Now remain the last one.
Run away.
They extend up to, okay, they
I'm
wait.
pursuing the last
MPA
one.
get this.
But they said I don't want to take the last.
Make all this will not enter. Hey, man, come over there. Because there's no way you can get
We wanted to build it by ourselves that time, but
All right, thank you very much for speaking of your excellency. Another day in the life of your administration, another day of project inspection.
Yeah, like we said, we must make sure before the expiration of our tenure, all we've started must be completed. Today, as you can see, we've gone to the magistrate side where we are constructing entirely new buildings for the magistrates, where the magistrates will not leave the Harcourt section, and that will be where we'll have all the magistrates. And then we moved on to the Justice Mary Judicial Institute, which is about 85–90% ready. And today and now we're here, Federal Judicial Service Commission, Liaison Office for the South-South. We're happy with the level of work. We believe that the Federal Judicial Service Commission Liaison Office and that of the Justice Bureau of the Judicial Institute will be ready for commissioning when they will start the new legal year, hopefully by November 24, November 25. But what is important to us is that the quality we are getting from the contractors, and of course, we are not owing any contractor. All the sites we have gone, even those that have not completed or not even up to 80%, we have finished paying. And so this is in fulfillment of all the promises we have made. Not just we are going to complete all the projects, but also that we are not going to owe any contractor, no debts will be left for the incoming administration, so that the incoming administration will have a clean slate to start on its own. So people will also, why would you think that you don't need to leave debt? I said, well, why would you leave debt for people to come and incur? It's not necessary. We are being prudent, and we're happy. Frankly speaking, we're very, very happy with the level of work. And you can see what has happened. We have transformed the entire GRA, and it's getting back to what it used to be. You see, some of these structures that are defacing the entire GRA, government will acquire them and build up other public things like that. There you can see it's not defeating of an old GRA. Sometimes people like institutions like Railway Corporation would not even have to take care of their property, take care of their buildings. And we have no choice but to make sure that we bring back what old GRA used to be. And so those properties that are defacing the old GRA, I can assure you, government will take every step to acquire it and make sure the place looks neat as it's supposed to be.